Welcome to Selent. Let's start with the login screen where you can sign in using various third-party providers including Google, email, and others. Let's create a new session using a personal email account and add a new client. We connect to the Meraki dashboard application through an API key. Simply select your API key and choose a specific organization from the multiple ones you may have access to. Once the API key is entered, we'll navigate to the main dashboard. Here's your central dashboard displaying comprehensive statistics, total number of networks, templates available, connected devices, and backup history. Since this is a new setup, there's no backup information yet. You can see device information and backup status at a glance. Now let's explore the Agents feature. This powerful tool allows you to configure and schedule agents that run asynchronously for specific networks. They continuously analyze network health, monitor status, and provide real-time insights. Let's add a new agent. Name your agent, set the schedule frequency, weekly, daily, or custom. Choose specific days and times. Configure email notifications for job completion. Here you can see the scheduled agent and when the next run is planned. You can also trigger it manually whenever needed. When an agent completes its run, an email is generated with a detailed analysis template. A specialized agent is created with the context of any errors found. Let me show you an example with an offline device. The agent has detected this issue and created a specialized troubleshooting session with full context about the error. You can interact naturally, ask what's causing the problem, request troubleshooting steps, or get specific recommendations. What makes this powerful is the real-time updating. As you make changes based on the agent's guidance, maybe rebooting a device or adjusting configurations, the agent immediately fetches the latest network status. You're always working with current data, and the agent adapts its recommendations based on what you've tried and what's actually happening in your network right now. The dashboard. This section mirrors the familiar Meraki dashboard interface. You get a complete view of your organization's topology, full organization structure, all networks and templates, and complete device inventory. From here, you can back up any network including all configurations for networks and devices. Selent offers two backup methods. Manual backup. Simply click Backup to create an instant backup. Scheduled backup. Navigate to Settings, then Scheduled backup. Select your organization, set backup frequency, choose date and time. For immediate needs, when your network is running perfectly and you want to capture that state, create a manual backup. You can then granularly restore entire networks or individual devices as needed. Let me demonstrate the restoration process. First, I'll go to the Meraki dashboard and delete all firewall rules from the MX, all outbound rules. Select all and delete them. Since our backup already captured these configurations, we can easily restore them. Click on the backup you want to restore. All network configurations are fetched. Device configurations for MX, MS, and MR are retrieved. The system ensures your network will be fully operational upon restoration. Watch how the update progresses and the restore completes seamlessly. Return to the Meraki dashboard, refresh the page, and you'll see all outbound rules are recovered. Configurations change logs. The change log provides detailed tracking of configuration differences between backups. When you make changes in the Meraki dashboard, you can compare all differences between any two backup points. This differs from the organization's standard change log because it shows actual configuration states at specific points in time. It captures configuration at point A versus point B, independent of any intermediate changes. You can see which firewall rules changed or were deleted. The semantic search feature lets you quickly find specific configurations. Just search for firewall rule and get instant results. Switch Port Manager. The Switch Port Manager eliminates repetitive tasks. Instead of configuring the same port settings 50 times in the Meraki dashboard, create one configuration in Selent and deploy it everywhere. Here's the workflow. Go to Add Configuration. Review the generated JSON. In Deploy, select all networks with switches, target ports for configuration, and all relevant devices. Click Deploy for simultaneous mass deployment across all devices. Network cloning. If someone maliciously deletes a network, traditionally all configurations would be lost forever. Our solution provides complete recovery. Select configurations from a previously backed up network. Add a name and notes. Retrieve all configurations from the deleted network. Claim all devices automatically. Create a new network with all previously established configurations intact. That concludes our comprehensive tour of Selent, featuring our network analysis agent and centralized dashboard. Thanks for watching.